If you are preparing seriously, you must have heard by now that the government debt is increasing. Is it alarming? Increasing means what? Increasing in total quantum, or increasing as a percentage of overall budget expenses, or increasing as a percentage of GDP? How do you realize is government on a right direction or not? Suppose this question comes in the descriptive exam. You have to have facts with you. See, this central government liabilities to GDP has come down from the peak of FY21, and this time we know the reason was COVID, though it is still very, very high if you compare with pre-COVID year, where as a percentage of GDP it was below 70%, and still it is 80% plus of the GDP, but it is definitely in the right direction. Government's efforts are here to reduce the loan, the deficit, government debt as a percentage of GDP. If this video is helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. We are here for 50% faster preparation.